Bank of America's CEO Brian Moynihan said he wants his bank to lend, finally, right, Jim? After what, 3 years, 4 years of fiscal
big housing inventory, countrywide. My friend Matt Horween, who writes for The Street, has a piece of countrywide paper that yields a huge amount. There's some ways in the capital structure to make money in Bank of America, but is the common right? Well, I have a piece this morning in Real Money which says it can go higher, but it was up more than 100% last year. Bank of America at $16 looked like, a couple years ago, looked like it was going to bottom right there, and then the lawsuits hit them, and the lawsuits hit them, then more lawsuits hit them. Countrywide didn't turn, and then Buffett came in at an absolutely advantageous level, bought this preferred. Yesterday, David Riley, fantastic piece in the Wall Street Journal about how maybe Bank of America should buy back that preferred. Bank of America's in good shape when Moynihan said that, and I think that Bank of America is still cheap because it's still well behind the group. There was also positive chatter this morning about Citi. A couple of firms upgraded Citi.
Right, there were upgrades on Citi and JP Morgan.
Now, my worry is this. Same thing with the retail. When you have a big two-day rally, my experience is you can't come in. It's my discipline. Now, my discipline has occasionally really cost me, right? But the percentages say if you come in right here without waiting for a dip in the bank group, you're taking out people who are smarter and faster than you. And that's always something to worry about. I'm not sanguine when it comes to stocks that have run and then guys come on and start recommending them now.
I looked at the Spider Financial ETF, and it's way high.
Oh, I know. And look, again, this could be the exception. Maybe this is when Bank of America goes to 15 in a straight line. But my experience has been that if you didn't buy Bank of America 10, and I did not for the charitable trust, then I missed it. Maybe come back in. Now, we have a giant position in Wells Fargo, which has been an underperformer, although it was still up more than 20% last year. We have a huge position in Key, and I think people should be buying Key aggressively here. It's really inexpensive.
Okay, so stay away from the names that have already run. Look for the names.
Let them come in. Let them come in. They're all good. I think Citi's good. I think Bank of America's good. But you know, today was the day. I mean, Bank of America could go down $1, and it wouldn't mean anything, and yet it would be a better opportunity.
And ultimately, this is a very bullish sign for the economy in general to have
the banks
the
need to lead.
saying, "Let's go."
I thought that was a great comment. I was reading the Financial Times this morning. I was on Morning Joe, and I said, I mean, it was like, wow.
I know.
Okay, Moynihan, that means Countrywide's probably behind him. The problems, wow, that's incredible because it was so horrible. Maybe Merrill's been better. I saw an upgrade of Goldman Sachs today by JMP. Goldman Sachs is a stock that we've been buying for action alerts. I just want a better entry point. I think that's what I'm really saying. I want a better entry point.
Although it does sound like you might be able to get some more real estate now that you can go get a mortgage over at Bank of America, right, Jim?
You know, I've been buying pretty, frankly, I've been buying pretty aggressively.
All right, well, that's it. So Jim's saying if you're looking for banks, look at names like Wells Fargo and Key. Look for the ones where you can get a little bit more value, not the ones that maybe have already run a little bit too much right now.